So, what do I edit with? I edit my videos with both Final Cut Pro and iMovie. I tried Premiere Pro. I like it, but um, for somebody like me that I don't have a lot of experience editing videos and stuff like that. When the last time I did this, I had somebody doing it for me, and that's why some of the videos look good. But that was a while back. Now that I'm doing it from my own YouTube channel, excuse me that I'm not looking at the camera. You guys can tell I'm driving. Now that I'm doing my own videos, though, I find myself a little bit more like I find my way easier to things with iMovie and Final Cut Pro than I do with Premiere. Both are great programs and great software. One thing to note is I'm not taking full advantage of Final Cut Pro. The reason why is because I do not know all the bells and whistles and all the features and all of that. Now, iMovie. I find iMovie to be a little bit more on the friendly side of things. It's a simple thing to use. You just go ahead and drag your clips, drop them on, add a little bit of sound to the bottom. Now remember, I'm not like full on YouTube, like million subscribers yet. But in my opinion, remember, listening from somebody that is not at a high level of editing or whatever. In my opinion, if you want to get your hands wet in this YouTube thing, I think that iMovie will do just fine. Now on the Windows side, I haven't tried nothing that's up to today's Windows 10 standards. The last thing I tried on Windows was Movie Maker, which was a great software. Even when I had an older version of Windows, I was using it for like a little projects or whatever, or for just do like a video notes for myself or whatever. But going back to Mac OS, iMovie, I think it's a great option for people to get used to, get their feet wet with all this YouTube thing. But yeah, I think iMovie, it's if for those of you that want to know what do I use the most right now, I do a combination of both. I feel kind of bad because Final Cut Pro is such a great program. Software, and I'm not taking full advantage of. You don't pay $300 and just let things sit there. I do want to get better at it, and like everyone that starts in YouTube, by yourself with nobody else helping you out, making your own videos. As I progress, I'm pretty sure you'll notice on my videos, the quality is gonna. All right, my watch is talking to me now. Gear S3, by the way, great watch. I don't see a reason for anybody to upgrade to the newest one. This is it. If you're not making money out of a video and you're a Mac OS user, I highly recommend, if you don't want to spend any time downloading anything, whatever, if you want to go to the App Store or whatever, it's just iMovie. When you get to the point where iMovie doesn't fulfill your needs anymore, I think that's a point where you say, hey, you know what? I want to go ahead and go to the next level. The reason why I didn't wait till I got full potential of iMovie and got Final Cut Pro is because I had a great deal through a friend. And I went ahead and said, you know what, I'm gonna end up getting it anyway, so why not take advantage of this deal that I got through a friend? Let me get my hands on Final Cut Pro, and that was the reason why. If it wasn't because of that, I would still be trying to get my hands on, trying to squeeze the hell out of iMovie. But there you have it. It's a combination of both iMovie and Final Cut Pro. Like I said, stay tuned. You'll see better videos as time goes on, as I learn more about Final Cut Pro. Hit the like button and subscribe, because I guarantee you'll get a lot better content. So there you have it.